Hello, welcome back. This is a Sunday video. Don't normally put stuff out on a Sunday really, but obviously I'm not in work here. I'm at home, enjoying a nice coffee on a Sunday. So, this video, as you can see by the title, this is a video to say I've finally reached my goal, which was 1,000 subscribers. Now, I've been wanting that for ever since I started. That was always just my goal, 1,000 subscribers. I used to speak to my friend Jack, who he's helped me with all the sort of YouTube stuff, on advising me on stuff and what I should do and editing and all stuff like that. So a lot of that, you know, it comes with the help of Jack. So yeah, finally 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy with it. Like, I was absolutely over the moon when I finally got it. To other people, like, it's not a massive achievement, but for me to finally get it, you know, my channel's just gone mad the past month or so, or a couple of weeks. You know, it's been crazy. The support I've had off everyone is unreal, and I generally really appreciate it. Good comments and everything, you know, I'm getting ideas off people, you know, some stuff. I'll give you an example. So I did the clutch and took the actuator out, and about the bung on the back of it, someone mentioned to me about, you know, replacing them. You know, we got another one we're going to do, so we're all pre-ordered for them already. So just stuff like that, it really helps, and it's good to get good information off people. You know, it helps develop yourself and other people as well. Other people get ideas as well. Yeah, okay, there's been some strange negative comments, but it doesn't bother me. You know, you're going to get that. You're not going to please everyone. Not everyone's going to like you like your stuff, and that's perfectly fine. Everyone's entitled to their own opinions and what they do and don't like. So yeah, this is just a video to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed, everyone that's commented, everyone that's took the time to watch my videos and everything like that for a start. So obviously, like I say, thank you for all the subscribers and everything. You know, I really appreciate it. It's proper give me, I had enthusiasm to do it anyway, but it's given me even more enthusiasm to do more. So I have plans, and I've looking into doing, so on my page, I'll try and show you actually. I've got it on my laptop. On my page, I've got my logo, and I'm thinking about having some. I'm gonna get some t-shirts made up with it.
Yes,
just on the back. Oh, sorry. So on the back, I'm back. Just with my logo and everything on it. Not necessarily the writing, but maybe even just the logo. I'm not sure yet. So I'll just quickly show you that. So that's the logo. It's here. It's having the pickup and the truck, and then with here just on some t-shirts and everything. Not necessarily like so you can blatantly see it. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Maybe just some black t-shirts with it sort of fading in. I'm not quite sure yet. So yeah, we're going to do them sort of things. I'm really this year massively going to push this even more now. I've got writing a book, and I've got ideas of new videos I can do, like loads of different stuff at work I can do. I'll try and do, like, if you were here for the car stuff, I'll try and do some more of that. That's a little bit harder to do, but more the truck side, you know, it's something I can do every day, that I can get videos for and everything like that. So that's where I'm going to be taking that. Once I get to my aim now, so I've got 1,000, so my next aim is 1,500. I'm going to keep going up. We're going to keep pushing it. Going to keep people subscribing, hopefully keep the videos good. I'm going to improve on some camera stuff. So I'm going to get some, like, I've got a brace thing coming, which will put the camera there, so you can see, instead of me mounting it, it's going to be, you're going to be able to see exactly what I'm doing even better now. So I've ordered a new microphone as well, because I had obviously problems with previous videos with sound, so that's been improved as well. So yeah, it's good. I'm really pushed on to make it the best I can out of it, and I'm going to get where I'm going to get. There's no two ways about it. It's going to happen, and we're going to keep pushing this channel and push all this sort of industry up. You know, people that are thinking about getting into the trade, you know, they see it every day, you know, day-to-day stuff. You see it in other people's channels as well. So that's what that's what we're really going to push now. So thank you very much for liking, commenting and subscribing. Keep doing it, and hopefully I can see you all in the next video.